Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing about one of the very important interview question, why we cannot automate 100% test cases. That is the interview question, and I'm going to discuss about 10 reasons, 10 important reasons why we cannot automate 100% manual test cases. The first reason why we cannot automate 100% is there are various test cases that requires a human input or human decision is required in a particular test cases. That test cases we cannot pick for automation, especially the test cases related to user experience or test cases related to exploratory testing. And the second type of test cases which we cannot pick for automation is test which requires physical interaction with the software. Example, there are certain software which requires to be tested using touch screens or by using hardware sensors. And the third type of test cases which we cannot bring into the automation bucket is the test cases that requires very complex or variable test data. There are certain type of test data which we cannot create in an automated way. We have to completely depend on manual cases. The fourth one is the test that requires testing on various different hardware configuration, software configuration, and even if you wanted to replicate that kind of environment, sometime it is not possible for automated environment. For that kind of test cases, we have to exclude and we have to perform dedicatively a manual testing there. And the fifth reason would be there are certain type of test cases like non-functional aspect of a software such as performance or security, which we cannot bring it to the automation because it is having its own tools to test or different way to test these non-functional features. So because of that, we cannot bring 100% automation in this space as well. And the sixth reason would be the test cases that requires where we wanted to test across multiple systems. Let's say a given mobile app or a given web application may interact various third-party application, like we may have payment integration is there, we may have customer integration is there, we have product integration there, and we have data management softwares we are getting integrated. We have integrated for security related aspects. When there is a huge integration is there and certain piece of test cases, definitely we cannot bring it to the automation because it involves third party integrations as well, third party systems as well. We cannot automate different softwares or different integrations. That kind of test cases also we should bring it to the manual cases. And the seventh would be the test cases which are very unpredictable, where we have no clue what is the expected results. When there is no clue on the expected result, unpredictable behavior is there. Random events are going to happen in your application, such as network failures or unexpected user inputs. Even this kind of situations also we cannot automate. And the eighth reasons would be the test cases that are very expensive and time consuming. If it is one test cases itself, if I am going to automate, and which is very complex in nature and it consumes lot of energy, lot of efforts compared to other test cases, then we should ignore these test cases which are very expensive and time consuming, because this does not give good return of investment for you. Only we should consider the test cases which gives good returns of investment. Only we should bring the automation for only those type of test cases. And the ninth type of reason is there are certain tests that requires frequent updates or maintenance due to changes in the software or environment. That kind of test cases we cannot bring it to the automation. If there is a frequent updation is happening, we should try to avoid that type of test cases to bring it to the automation bucket. And the 10th reason would be, there are certain places like if there is a legal compliances issues are there, regulatory compliances issues are there, where we have to verify manually, plus we have to documenting it, then that type of test cases also we cannot bring it to the automation bucket. So here are the 10 important reasons why we cannot bring automation in all 100% manual test cases. I hope you guys got a clear idea now. If you guys really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed, then do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.